Dampa Tiger Reserve or Dampha Tiger Reserve is a tiger reserve of western Mizoram, India. It covers an area of about 500 square kilometers 190 square miles in the Lushai Hills at an altitude range of 800 to 1,100 in 2,600 to 3,600 feet. It was declared a tiger reserve in 1994 and is part of Project Tiger.The. The tropical forests of Dampa Tiger Reserve are home to a diverse flora and fauna. It consists of forest interpolated with steep precipitous hills, deep valleys, jungle streams, rippling rivulets, natural salts lakes. Dampa Tiger Reserve is not easily accessible unlike other park where you can ride on a four-wheeler, but one has to walk through the forest if one wishes to sight animals. In the tiger census of 2018, no tiger was found in this reserve. The word Dampa means lonely men and refers to a local narrative about a village where a lot of the women died. The protected area was initially established as wildlife sanctuary in 1985 with an area of about 680 square kilometers 260 square miles, which was reduced to about 340 square kilometers 130 square miles. In 1994, it received the status of a tiger reserve with an area of 500 square kilometers 190 square miles and thus became part of Project Tiger. Jurisdiction is under two ranges, namely Tiri Range and Fuldungsai Range. Workers consist of a field director who is headquartered in Phalang. There are also about 5 foresters and 10 regular forest guards. Rare floral species have been found in Dampa Tiger Reserve, including rare ginger species Globus patulata and Hemidorcus pantlingii. Dampa Tiger Reserve hosts Indian leopard, sloth bear, gaur, sarod, barking deer, wild boar, hoglok gibbon, Fayer's leaf monkey, grey lemur, rhesus macaque, and slow loris. 4 Bengal tigers were recorded in 1994 but none were recorded in 2019. Dampa Tiger Reserve has one of the highest clouded leopard populations in South and Southeast Asia. In 2012, tiger presence was confirmed through scat samples. No tiger was recorded in Dampa Tiger Reserve in the years 2018 to 2019. However, the National Tiger Conservation Authority recommended that tigers from Assam's Kaziranga National Park be introduced to Dampa Tiger Reserve. Bird species sighted in Dampa Tiger Reserve include great hornbill, wreathed hornbill, oriental pied hornbill, scarlet-backed flowerpecker, kalij pheasant, great peacock pheasant, speckled piculet, and white-browed piculet, bay woodpecker, greater yellownape, greater flameback, great barbet, blue-throated barbet, red-headed trogon, Indian cuckoo, Asian barred owlet, green imperial pigeon, mountain imperial pigeon, emerald dove, crested serpent eagle, Malayan night heron, long-tailed broadbill, Asian fairy bluebird, blue-winged leafbird, golden-fronted leafbird, orange-bellied leafbird, scarlet minivat, maroon oriole, greater racket-tailed drongo, Indian paradise flycatcher, pale-chinned blue flycatcher, blue-throated flycatcher, black-naped monarch, great-headed canary flycatcher, white-rumped shama, slaty-backed forktail, spotted forktail, chestnut-bellied nuthatch, velvet-fronted nuthatch, black bulbul, black-crested bulbul, ashy bulbul, white-throated bulbul, slaty-bellied tessia, and striated euhena. It has been reported that there has been an increase in built-up 590%, bamboo forest 192.89%, and scrub 74.67% areas. These increases are simultaneously accompanied by decrease in cover area of evergreen/semi-evergreen closed forests from 152.47 square kilometers in 1978 to 95.27 square kilometers in 2005. This could be due to the practice of shifting cultivation by villagers at the border of the reserve. A 62 kilometers fence and patrol road along the Bangladesh boundary near the reserve in Mizoram is hindering the free movement of tigers at Dampa. Oil palm and teak plantations which occupy areas close to the Dampa Tiger Reserve are also reducing habitat of birds and animals and could pose a bigger threat to wildlife than shifting cultivation. There have also been reported cases of poaching by different groups including local hunters and insurgent groups like Shanti Badani and the National Liberation Front of Tripura.